We have course straight towards Skagen, but out in that distance in the horizon, there is the Danish Queen ship. It's actually called Daredevil. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll see if I can zoom in. Right there. Ready? Let's go. This is the bird church in the northern part of Denmark, actually all the way up in Skagen. And here we are bicycling in, nice and easy to have a look at it. But this is actually the top of the tower of it, and it's absolutely a beautiful environment. As you can see, middle of nature, out of in a protected area where you cannot even ride on a horse. On this one we're on, at some other places you can, but on this one here you cannot. But here it is. I think it's... Watch your head, it says. Like, I think it's a door for you. That's the dome. Yes, yes, right there. Well, there's a window up there too. You want to see out that one? So this is the buried church in Skagen. It's actually kind of interesting to go and see. It's an old one. They removed the other part of the church, which was over this side, and this is just the tower we're walking in right now. And then we're gonna go through that little hole down there, and that's down to the ground.
Ja. Go, go. Jesus Christ.
Why is he holding his nose?
I don't know, maybe he wanted to. Oh my god, he's gonna jump. He probably haven't used that ladder. Michael!
He's insane.
I'm just being.
I see it on the thermometer too.
Oh no.
You know what's the good part? I got it on video.
Hey guys, we just started touring it here in Skagen, and we're actually right here at the oldest lighthouse we got. Really neat actually, and here's a nice footage of it. They used to have fire in that little basket up there, and nowadays the real one is out there in the distance. I don't know if you can hear it or not because it's windy, but we're in the old part of Skagen, which is really beautiful, known as the Sunset Beach. It's really nice, and there's a lot of stones, of course, a lot of wind today, but also a magnificent sunset here. That's really cool. But it's definitely worth a visit when you get here, and also just go down the beach or something and enjoy it. It's really cool. Skagen still, and this time we're out on a museum. We're out to see the area museum of all the old days and having a look at all the stuff what happened in the old days with different sheds, anchors, and all kinds of even cannons, as you can see over there. Small sheds like that, and of course some mills. So stay tuned, hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll show you around a little bit and see how it goes. In the old days, they used to go ahead and take the fish, the flat ones, or flounders as you also know them, salt them up pretty well, and then hang them out and let them sun dry. It's a delicacy. It's still a delicacy on the whole part of west coast of Denmark. I love them too. It really does. And here's a few of them. That's how they did it. This is all salty, and it is real fish. All of them, as you can see, they're flat like flounders. Cut the head off, and then they just salt them up and let them dry out in the sun. What you do with them, you can either water them out, or you can put them straight as they are into the oven on very light, just so it gets a little bit warm. And then on a piece of bread, it tastes absolutely awesome with mayonnaise, a little bit of caviar, and maybe some lime juice, and you'll absolutely like it. You want a modern kitchen? There's a modern stove right there. I know. Or fireplace, whatever you feel like. Iron. It's a nice little house here outside. As you can see, it's actually the bottom of a boat. It's already watertight from the beginning, and now it's made as a shed. Really cool. The boat is of course not in the best of shape anymore, but for a shed it's perfect. We just walked into a very, very small house. This is an ordinary house that people used to live in back in the days. That's the living room, as you can see, with a little desk, whatever, you can sit down, and that's the sleeping area over here. They're very short, actually, in both ends, but this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's like really short. Fireplace there with some fishing gear that's gonna dry out, and then out here, this is where you have the kitchen. And this in the old days, you actually doesn't have anything else but sand on the floor. And you got the plates over here and everything that you need to go ahead and use in the kitchen, and grinder there. And then this is the fireplace. These are for fish, that one there as well. And then you got something to put over there as well. But this is basically the fireplace, and that was what it was in the old days. On top of this, there is an attic all the way up here that could be used for storage and fishing gear, whatever you needed. And that was basically how everything was back in Skagen in those days. Small little simple house with everything that you need, not bigger than this. All the rescue boats and so forth. Here's some of the trophies as well, but anyway, rescue boats with life jackets hanging out there ready. A pump right here, and this is how it looked back in the days. So you got the captain sitting up there, and then everybody was filled up with oars. The oars are located right here on the shelf on the side of the wall. And this is what they went out in like 120 years ago. They were using this for everybody who was having a shipwreck coming in. And then they'll go out and save them. As you can see, here's one here called the Rado. And there's also an overview of what they actually have since they made the area. But anyway, this is what they used to go out and catch people as well. So quite amazing actually. This is the area map of Denmark, basically. This is with the old border towards Germany. Denmark goes all the way down here now. But anyway, all these black dots are total crashes of any vessel that came around. As you can see, we're up here right now. They're all over the place. A lot of them, but kind of interesting. That looks nice.
Yeah.
How are we doing, darling, when everything's going like sideways?
Sideways.
You're flying.
I am. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna. Oh well, we're not doing that fast right now, but we were. What's going on? Not good. Whee! Now we're doing a little bit more. Is it coming up? Yeah, there we go. 8.3, 8.4. No, we're good, doing good. A little bit more. Well, we're almost there. Pretzels is the what? Medicine. The secret medicine for seasickness, motion sickness. You're doing good. That is so fun. Let's do one more. Ready? There you go. Yeehaw! you go. Ah, shit. One more. There you go.
Oh my god.
This is fun. I love it. It's so much fun.
You are nuts.
I love it. I told you, eating.
Can you hear